Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And if your Suzuki access front tire is making noise or if it is wobbling or shaking, then what exactly you should be doing, that I will be showing you in this video. So come on, let's start the video. So before doing what I am going to show you in this video, you should be replacing your Suzuki access front fog balls. Now I already have a video on how to replace these balls. I will put a link of it on the I button on top. You can go there and check out that video first. Now if you have already replaced the front fog balls and still if your tire is shaking or making some noise, then after that what exactly you should be doing, I will show that to you in the video now. So the first thing that you should be doing is take out your front wheel along with the hub, and once you take out your entire wheel with the hub part, you will notice that there is a ball bearing inside of the hub part, as you can see here. Now as you can see, the ball bearing inside my hub part is so much rusted and it is totally spoiled. If you put a finger inside like this and try to shake the inside part, then it will shake. On that you can come to know that your wheel hub ball bearing needs replacement. Now you should be replacing these ball bearings. Now to replace this, if you go closer and look inside of this hole, then you can see from this side that you can put a screwdriver from here and bang the bearing out. So that is exactly what I will be doing here. I will take a screwdriver and start banging the bearing from the inside. When you do this, your ball bearing will pop out from the other side. As you can see, my ball bearing has popped out already. Now there will be a spacer like this inside. Keep this in a safe place. Now inside of your hub part there will be two ball bearings. You should be replacing both of them. So one is out already. Now I will go and take out the other one. Now to take out the other one, turn the wheel on the other side, and if you see inside of the hole, you can notice that you can bang the ball bearing from this side now, and as you can see here, that ball bearing is also spoiled. So before I do that, again turn the wheel, take a screwdriver and pry out this rubber gasket which is on top of the ball bearing. Once you take that out, turn the wheel again, take a screwdriver and start banging, and with this this ball bearing will also come out. So as you can see here, my other ball bearing has also popped out. Now as you can see, this ball bearing is also rusted and is spoiled completely, and as you can notice that it is also shaking too much. My recommendation to you is this, that if you are replacing the hub ball bearings, then see that you replace both the bearings in one time. Don't replace only one of them, because we don't do repairs like this again and again. Now this bike is 10 years old and I am replacing the bearings for the first time after the 10 years. So here I have bought a replacement ball bearing and the number of this ball bearing is 6301. Many people ask me about the bearing size. So the size of this ball bearing is 6301, but what you guys can do is you can take the old bearing with you when you go to buy the new one and show them the old bearing and match it with the new one and get the new one. Now the company of this ball bearing is HCN, but I don't recommend this ball bearings. You either go for Tata ball bearings or SKF ball bearings, because both of those ball bearings are of a good quality. Now if you have a wooden stick like this, then you will need it now. You can even make use of a socket if you have a same size socket, because now we have to bang this bearing inside of the hub part. Now see that you properly align this bearing on top of the hub part. Now this entire bearing should go inside together. If it goes inside only on one side, then you will have a tough time putting the entire ball bearing inside and your bearing can even get spoiled. So you will have to be extremely careful here. So keep the wooden piece in the center of the ball bearing and bang the bearing inside. Now while banging the bearing inside, you should make sure that your bearing doesn't get spoiled, and you should make sure that it is not gone inside only on one side. The entire thing should go inside together, and it should totally go inside like how the old ball bearing was. So here I have banged one ball bearing inside. Now the rubber gasket which you had taken out, see that you put it back again. If this rubber gasket goes inside properly, then you know that you have properly banged the ball bearing inside and it is in correct position. If this rubber gasket is not going inside, it means that you will have to bang the bearing furthermore inside. Now I will turn the entire wheel and I will put the ball bearing from this side now. Now the ball bearing which goes on this side has a different number. Keep a note on that. The number of this ball bearing is 6201, as you can see here. Now before you put in the ball bearing, see that you put in the spacer which you had taken out while taking out the ball bearings. This is the spacer which I am talking about. Put it inside and then keep your ball bearing in position and bang it inside. If you by chance forget to put the spacer in place, then you will have to take out bearing from one side, put the spacer and bang that bearing inside again. So here I am done putting the other bearing in place as well. Now check on both sides by putting a finger like this if the bearings are rotating properly. If everything is nice and smooth, then now it's time to put the tire back onto the bike and you will have a smooth ride. Now I am hoping that this video was useful to you. If this video was useful, then like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when I release my next video. And like this, you will never miss any of my videos. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.